State lawmakers from both sides of the aisle acknowledged rising Medicaid costs could be for a variety of factors, but Republicans are pointing directly to California's expansion of its Medicaid program to provide health insurance to undocumented people. Meanwhile, Democratic leaders are signaling it would be a non-starter to end that program. California lawmakers hoping to get more specifics about Governor Newsom's administration's need for a $3.44 billion loan. This to cover Medicaid costs it does not expect the federal government to reimburse.
To ask for a loan of $3.5 billion without any explanation as to what it is, in my opinion, absolutely absurd, but it's very typical of the way that Democrats are managing the budget process.
Without details, Newsom's Department of Finance notified lawmakers this week in this letter that it was short on Medicaid funds and needed to borrow the money from the state's general fund. In a statement, Democratic Assembly Speaker Robert Rivas took aim at the Trump administration and the federal government, saying in part, the greatest threat to health care in California is Republicans and their reckless budget cuts to Medicaid. There are tough choices ahead, and Assembly Democrats will closely examine any proposal from the governor. But let's be clear, we will not roll over and leave our immigrants behind. It comes just weeks after the department told lawmakers in this hearing it has underestimated the cost of providing health insurance to undocumented people through the state's Medicaid program known as Medi-Cal. Republican Assemblyman Carl DeMaio pushed the administration to say it expected to spend $6 billion this year, but so far it's ballooned to an estimated $9.5 billion.
The big story here is they're saying Trump is putting Medi-Cal at risk, when in fact Newsom and the California Democrats have put it on the brink of financial collapse. They need to act immediately. They need to cancel the insurance coverage for the illegal immigrants and say that we're going to take care of the low-income citizens of our state first.
Governor Newsom's office said this ask for a loan is not new and that other states, red and blue, are also grappling with rising Medicaid costs. The governor recently defended California's health care for undocumented people in a recent podcast episode.
That's why we do preventative care. That's why we have a different approach, because we have sick care in the emergency room that's universal across this country.
Well, people
have access all across the country for similar circumstances. You are at substantially higher prices on the back end for the emergency care.
We are expecting to now see a series of hearings to dissect this issue. We know the soonest one is happening Monday in the State Assembly. Reporting at the State Capitol, Ashley Zavala, KCRA 3 News.
We did reach out to the Department of Health Care Services, which oversees the Medicaid program, for more details. They referred us back to the governor's office.